Welcome to Cooking and Cocktails with Kat and Nat. Guys, today we are going to make a very simple pasta alla limone.
Lemonade.
All right, a few ingredients. Let's heat up this pan to a nice warm heat.
Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
Now, guys, the truth of the matter is a lot of things that taste good have butter. It needs butter to taste good.
Why would people be alarmed?
Some people are like, I don't want to have butter. Cheese and butter make things taste good, and you just need to know it. Okay, we're gonna melt up this butter.
Melt up this butter.
With the olive oil.
With the olive oil.
Okay, we're going to add capers and their brine.
Whoa.
Okay.
So bottled capers.
You could.
What's their brine?
It's a salty water.
Salty water.
That's a brine. A brine is something that like pickles something. Pickles something. Okay. We're going to put the zest. What you can use our microplane, the zest of a lemon.
Don't cut yourself.
We're gonna mix this up. So we want the capers to kind of like
in yet?
really, yeah, all the juices of the lemon in there, please.
Oh baby, how I like you.
So be wise and keep on reading the signs of my body.
All right, we're going to add some white wine.
Seeds out?
Add white wine, but you're going to burn off the alcohol, but it's going to add amazing flavor. Okay, there you go. And this is just, it's smelling lemony. Okay, do you want to go ahead and shave some Parmesan into here?
No, I don't want to.
Yes, please. Yes, and we're going to thicken this sauce.
You and your
See how
thickener.
it snows right into there? It's going to make a delicious sauce.
Tell me when.
Let's see. Keep going.
If you don't have 4 hands, you would stop stirring.
That is good for now. Give it a tap, tap.
Tap, tap, tap.
Wrist on glitter, waist on thinner.
Will you go grab your olive oil because we finished that olive oil? No, that one's done.
No, I don't think so.
Uh-oh, really? Oh, you don't say.
I don't think so.
I'm going to turn this down a lot. And I'm going to go ahead and add the already cooked pasta. A nice fat pasta. I don't know what this one's called. You can use whatever you have.
Fat pasta.
Yep. I'm going to tong
I'll
it
get
up.
in there. I'll get in
I'm
there.
going to add some more, some fresh pepper to it. Okay. Now this is where you're going to go ahead and you're going to add more cheese onto the pasta. This is going to be delicious. I'm going to get you a nice plate that we're going to plate it on. Mix that up, please. Now, you want to leave the pasta with the sauces for a little bit, just so that the sauces actually go in flavor.
The pasta with the sauces, with the actual.
All the flavors get into it. Let's add a little more lemon to the top.
It's a lot of lemon.
It's going to be nice and lemony. Do you have some Maldon salt?
Okay. That's just fancy salt, for those of you who don't know.
Okay.
I am so tired all of a sudden. Oh.
Good. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to plate this.
Okay, she's gonna clean off this plate. This goes like this, like
Serve
this.
with some baguette, a fresh arugula salad.
Serve with baguette, and we don't have any of that, but you know what? In your dreams, that's what you could do. A little bit more. Does this stay hot?
You know us, we like to add chili flakes.
That's what I like about
flakes
you.
on top.
Chili flakes on top.
Do you have a fork?
I'll get one, Natalie. Okay,
Go
here
ahead
we
and
go.
give this a try.
This is called speed eating. Speed cooking is...
The pasta's cooked perfectly.
Okay. All right, stop fooling around. All right.
Elevates the flavors of a buttered pasta. So your kids can try something new.
Elevate the flavors. So we just said?
Guys. If you like this recipe, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notifications so you're always notified. One of our amazing recipes come out. They come out once a week. Give us a thumbs up and share with all your friends.
Have a great day.